If Firefox keeps freezing or hanging on Windows, yeah, that can make your entire browsing experience unusable. Tabs stop responding, clicks lag, and everything feels stuck. Let's fix it step by step. First, open Task Manager and check your CPU, RAM, and disk usage. I mean, if your system is overloaded, Firefox will freeze easily. Next, end all Firefox processes in Task Manager. Stuck background processes are a major cause of freezing issues. Now, restart your computer. Yeah, this clears memory leaks and resets any frozen system resources. Next, close heavy apps like Chrome, Discord, Steam, or download tools. I mean, these apps quietly steal resources and cause Firefox to hang. Now, launch Firefox in troubleshoot mode. This disables extensions and hardware acceleration so we can isolate the issue. Next, disable all extensions. Yeah, a single bad add-on can freeze Firefox completely. Now go into Settings and turn off hardware acceleration. I mean, GPU conflicts can cause freezing and lag spikes. Next, clear cache and temporary files. Corrupted data often causes Firefox to hang or become unresponsive. If it still freezes, refresh your Firefox profile. Yeah, this fixes hidden configuration issues without deleting bookmarks. Make sure Firefox is updated. I mean, updates often fix stability issues and freezing bugs. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Firefox. This replaces corrupted program files completely. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Firefox from freezing or hanging on Windows and make it run smoothly again.